Hey, what's up with the YouTuber? It's me again. And yeah, guess what today is, motherfuckers? Today is yet another boxing video. Yeah, because something came in the mail for me today. Hooray! As you guys can see, Stefan Goldberg. Yeah, there it is. So without further ado, enough yap. Let's get this motherfucker open. Ooh. Oh shit! Fuck yeah! Oh, that is yes! Finally, check it out, guys. My first ever obituary T-shirt. Yeah, from Obituary Slowly Rewat. Yeah, Slowly Rewat. Yeah, and also in the back says Slowly Rewat. Oops, yeah. So yeah, I finally got my shirt with the back on it. Yeah, I'm so glad I got that. Oh wow, this is amazing. Just my size 2. Yep, I'm so fucking happy that I got this t-shirt, guys. I've been waiting forever to get an obituary t-shirt, and now I finally have my own obituary t-shirt with the logo, with the Slowly Rewat in the back of it. Oh, that is fucking brutal as balls. Can't wait to start wearing this out, man. This is going to be great. And not just that, also, pretty soon, I'll be making a video on some very special announcements very soon. And you guys will go when you hear it. I promise you guys will go crazy when you hear what it is. So yeah, I'm going to end the video off here. It was a quick little unboxing video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video of my new obituary t-shirt. And so yeah, so overall, guys, keep it metal, keep it brutal, keep it awesome. Hope to see you guys also in my next video. And remember, always keep it metal. And goodbye, and have a great, fantastic rest of your day. So goodbye.